we have just completed the first question. This is the second question. You have asked me this question also, and most of the students asked me to help to solve this question. So I'm going to solve this question for your suggestion for me. And here let's read the question very carefully. This is also a little bit tough question, but you'll have to go through concept, and very conceptually we have to understand. So let's read the question very carefully. Very calmly, very coolly we have to read the question. So I am going to read this question for you, please. Let's read the question once again. Ram said to Shyam. This question is also less or more similar to the previous question, but conceptually we try to understand here. So let's read the question slowly and coolly. I have already said you. Here Ram, and this is a conversation between Ram and Shyam. Here Ram is saying to Shyam, means so Ram is first person pronoun here in the first statement. Ram is first person pronoun because here Ram is saying to Shyam. So I represent for Ram and you represent for Shyam here. So let's go to first statement. If you give me half of your money, I shall have 100 with me. The first statement is telling here. In the first statement, please. In the first statement, you represent for Shyam and I represent for Ram, because Ram is saying to Shyam. Ram is saying to Shyam. So where is I? I for Ram and you for Shyam. That you should be clear first. And then please let's go to last question here. Last statement. Last statement is question statement. Question here. Find the money of each. Means how much does Ram have now and how much does Shyam have now? That you will have to find. So the question is asking you to find the amount with Ram and amount with Shyam. Separately you will have to find. But we don't know how much is with Ram and how much is with Shyam. That is not clear. So you will have to suppose the same. I have already said you, already mentioned you in such type of question. Yes, such type of verbal question. You will have to suppose the same thing what is asked by the question. Okay, so I am going from the same. Here, let's suppose that the amount of money with Ram, let it be rupees X. This is let mean we are going to suppose here. So let we are writing in the same way the amount of money with Shyam. Shyam has rupees Y and Ram has rupees X. We are solving from here. Okay. Now let's go to the first statement. So you need to write here from the first statement. From the first statement, according to the first statement, we need to prepare the equation according to the statement here. Okay. We are very clear that Ram has got X rupees. Shyam has got Y rupees. Please you concentrate your mind here. Just you see here. If you give me half of your money, you, who is saying here? Ram is saying here. Ram is saying here. You give me half of your money. Means Shyam will have to give half of his money to Ram. So please here, let's read the statement here. If clause says that if you give me half of your money, means here Ram is saying Shyam will have to give half of his money. Means when Shyam gives some money to Ram, of course you will have some more. But this time Shyam is going to give half of his money. Half of his money mean half of Y. Yes? Then this will be the amount with Ram. So here please I am going to complete up to here. See. And then this is the condition. This is the condition because it is a conditional sentence. This conditional sentence is saying that if you give me half of your money mean if Shyam gives half of his money to Ram, this is the condition. So the if clause will be in left side. If clause will be in left side and the main clause will be in the right hand side. So I will have, I mean here I represent for Mr. A. I mean Mr. Sorry, I represent for Ram. I will have, I mean Ram, so we are writing the amount of Ram here. Will have, shall have, this is the verb, so I am writing here equal sign. I will have 100 with me. I will have 100 mean 100 rupees here. So this is equation. So here from the first statement we can write here x plus half y is equal to 100. This is equation number 1. In the same way, Shyam replied, this is the second statement. This is from the first statement. Again, from the second statement, let's read the second statement carefully. From the second statement, Shyam replied. Now Shyam is saying here. Now Shyam is speaking here. So Shyam is subject here, and here Shyam is saying, Shyam is replying to Ram. So here Ram is object this time. Shyam is first person pronoun. Sorry, Shyam here. So Shyam is saying to Ram. So I represent for Shyam this time. I shall have rupees 100. I mean here Shyam. Shyam is speaking. So I represent for Shyam. I said Shyam has y rupees. In the beginning, Ram has x rupees. Now Shyam is saying I shall have rupees 100 with me if you give me only 1/3 of your money. Means who is giving here? Ram is giving. Who is getting here? Shyam is getting. So Shyam is going to add how much? 1/3. 1/3 of your money. 1/3 of your money mean you represent for Ram. So 1/3 of your money mean 1/3 of x. Then you will have 100 rupees. So here again we can write here y plus 1/3 of x is equal to 100. This is second equation. Well, just you need to solve these two equations. When you will solve these two equations, then you will get a value of x and y. So how to solve this equation that you can do, you will do. So I am not going to complete. You will have to complete yourself this much for this, and then I just suggest you to complete yourself because at least you should have this knowledge.